judge giving the green light to get this massive traffic project moving. The 202 expansion will force some homeowners out to make way for construction on this new stretch of the South Mountain Freeway. Welcome to the Now Arizona. I'm Stephanie Hockridge.
And I'm Kim Tobin filling in for Katie Rammel tonight. This legal battle really far from over. ABC 15's Angie Holdsworth is live with what happens next in this. Angie?
Well, yeah, I'm here at the Pecos and Chandler, and this is essentially where Pecos Road ends, and you can see then the pathway of where this freeway would be built. Now, the construction could start as early as May of next year. However, there's still, despite this, there's still a chance it could be stopped.
There you go.
From Pat Lawless's front yard, the traffic along Pecos Road is pretty slow. Only a couple cars here and there.
Instead of that, you see 15,000 to I say 30,000 trucks per day.
That may be closer to reality, with the judge giving ADOT the go-ahead to continue its plans for the South Mountain Freeway. The judge denied an attempt by a coalition of environmental and community groups to stop it. Lawless is part of that coalition known as PARC, Protecting Arizona's Preserves and Children. They filed a lawsuit that is now being combined with a lawsuit by the Gila River Indian community over environmental issues.
We would have to deal with a lot of air pollution. We'd have to deal with noise. We have 17 schools that are within 1/2 mile.
ADOT has already started buying properties that would need to be destroyed to make way for the loop. The freeway will run east and west along Pecos Road and then north and south between 55th and 63rd Avenues, connecting with Interstate 10. Eventually a pathway for hundreds of thousands of cars daily. With the lawsuit still pending, the next step for PARC is court to try to put the brakes on this plan for good.
But our case is quite solid. We have 20 counts against them.
All right, it looks like they're going to start that construction as of May.